Hello everyone. I am Anthony. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. It is quite natural an iPhone screen can be cracked at any time due to any accidental cause. Are you facing the same scenario? Don't feel worried about that when your nearby professional are ready to help you efficiently. iTech Express is an Apple authorized service center that provides repair solution for all Apple products. After diagnosing the cracked screen of your iPhone, if they feel the screen need to be replaced, then it is sure you will get 100% genuine parts from them. Your experts are ready to provide you the same-day service after understanding your emergency. You can call them at 626-777-4747 to get unparalleled support at any time. Otherwise, you can visit to get more information about their service in detail. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.